Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is a Thursday, 7th of October 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, in 4-hour chart, as you can see from yesterday, we were short. And if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis video, link is given in the video descriptions. We were short, bank beautiful pips. And this morning we were expecting possibility of pullback at this level, but we had a counter long trade and some of the traders are still holding that counter long trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze it in intraday. If you look at once the price hit this target, and we were expecting this breakout, as you can see here, price nicely broken. And some of the traders are still holding this long trade here, and explain to my trader that in intraday, as long as the price stay above this level, previous high, then we should be expecting a counter long trade here, and the target would be this 200 EMA. So we'll let you know tomorrow how that trade goes. And let's move into the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar, look at the 4-hour. Yesterday, as I mentioned, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. And as always, based on the price action, previous high is broken. After the breakout, we're expecting another pullback. As you can see here, after this breakout, we were expecting another, let me make it bigger. So after this breakout, we're expecting another pullback here, and that's what exactly happened. And we have a long trade here, keep taking a pullback long trade here. Even in the New York session, as soon as the price hit around this 100 EMA in 4-hour, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. And if you look at this, okay, so this is the analysis I did once the price hit this level. This was the triangle pattern breakout. After this breakout, another pullback, beautiful trade. And again, we had this morning another analysis, explained to my trader once the target hit, look for this breakout. Actually, we were looking this breakout. I said to you guys, as long as the price can hit this, respect this level, just keep taking, this is the level, which is I explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback. So we announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary, and we had amazing beautiful trade, bank beautiful pips. And at the New York session, I explained to my trader, price develop another up channel. So there's a scaling trade, we can add another long trade here, as you can see here, as soon as the price hit this level. And that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or banking beautiful pips. So you can see pound dollar, based on the 4-hour price action, we had such a nice beautiful long trade, banking beautiful pips. And dollar CAD, let me share with you guys dollar CAD. As you can see here, the price broken after the breakout. We were short from yesterday, bank beautiful pips. And today we were expecting, if the price gonna break this level, then we're going to be taking a long trade here. Otherwise, we're going to be continue short trade. So we have this beautiful breakout today, and still some of the traders are still holding short. We have few minutes, the high impact news is coming for the dollar CAD. Let's see. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to bank beautiful pips and the dollar CAD. As you can see, as I explained to my trader from yesterday, as you can see at the bottom, we were short, bank beautiful pips. And today we were looking this breakout pattern. I explained to my trader, look, if the price is going to break this previous high, then we will consider this one inverted head and shoulder pattern. Otherwise, based on the momentum, we should be looking, as you can see here, price nicely respected, did not break this trend resistance line, and beautiful. Based on the momentum, we had a breakout and beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. So some of the traders still holding short. Let's see how that's gonna go, but we bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD. Overall market consolidation today, but we managed beautiful pips today on dollar CAD. All right guys, the last trade we had that was a beautiful breakout on pound Swiss franc, and still some of the traders are holding. This is the breakout trade, and we also had a beautiful breakout on pound yen trade. As you can see here, such a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, another pullbacks, and the price still moving up, and most of the traders bank amazing profit on pound yen and pound dollar, all the cable pairs. That's the only pair we have seen today moves. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And the key important thing is you're going to develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded from both firms. If you are interested how I train and coach traders through live market, through live intraday analysis, alongside with the live audio commentary support, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you can become a good and successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are an experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.